Hi, my name is Stephanie. I've been in this hairstyling industry for over 13 years. I love how it revolve and make people get back their self-esteem and look good. Today I'm here to answer one hair-related question. Yes, you can dye a hair system, but it all depends on which hair system. For example, a synthetic hair, you can't dye it. So I would not advise you to dye synthetic hair because it won't take the color. For human hair, yes, you can dye it, most definitely. Sometimes it faded from the sun, sometimes you're washing it too often, so the color tends to fade a bit. So most definitely the color that you have, you can color it back, but you can dye it darker, not lighter. If you go lighter, it will break the hair, damage the hair. So we always recommend you to dye from lighter to darker. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.